shadow.
Hi guys! So today is Chinese New Year already. And yan, kaya nakagayak na ako. Nakagayak na rin yung mga kids. Si daddy na lang hindi pa nakagayak. So, ano tayo, morning, kailangan natin kumain ng sweet. So, gumawa kami ng tangyen. Then, ito, mamaya, ibibigay ng mga kids sa amin. Tapos, bibigyan namin sila ng ampaw. So, yun yung, kumbaga, culture ng mga Chinese.
Okay. How about you, Mei? Oh.
快乐！
Okay. 新年快乐！学业进
新年快乐！
学业进步，OK，身体健康。OK， 妹妹分。
不要！
OK， 好人。对，对。
谢谢！
有啊，去过。OK， 恭喜发财！ 恭喜发财！红包拿来！no。
Punta namin yung tangyen. Oh my God!
Almost
my
birthday.
God.
Later you all be drinking peanut soup.
Nakalimutan namin yung tangyen. Pinainit kasi namin.
Okay. Never mind. I bring that. I will sit down there and eat. Okay.
Oh my God, Daddy!
Oh.
Okay, I help you lah. Na, can I help you?
Mommy is tired.
Yeah, she still need to sleep a bit more. Later na, I make her sleep. And before my baby go out, we give a bit milk. We need to bring help.
Bring 2 shots. Only it should be around 6 o'clock. We're coming back.
But why?
Oh my God.
I thought
I think you just...
I think I can give her one
I try to...
cut, right?
Soup. Okay, I get chocolate, okay? Behave, put your hand here, okay?
Wait,
You don't move,
Okay, mommy get the chocolate. Oh, you want to try the orange candy?
Yeah, orange also can.
You want to try You want to try this one? Orange candy?
I think the soup tastes plain actually.
A bit sweet, because I don't have the pandan. Hey, no, the nut.
You have the pandan leaf?
No, but
No,
Get in the garden.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I
Sorry.
think too many people got from the garden also.
Yeah, two. Can okay.
Pandan.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, mommy, but
So,
you took out
tangyen.
the 2 candy over there. The 2 chocolate candy. But teacher gave me.
What
Okay.
is it? Oh, okay. Can eat. Can eat
Bring
sweet.
on and eat now.
Can eat sweet in the morning.
I put 2 chocolate candy inside.
Yeah.
My teacher gave me.
Oh. Only 3, huh?
Huh?
E.
Where did it go?
Below, at the drawer there. Is it inside the drawer?
Yeah, I put all below.
You want the cake from Nana yesterday?
Yeah, here.
You want to get the small knife there? Then I cut. You know, we eat. The cake very nice. Butter cake.
Yeah, ayan. Si Daddy, see?
High five!
I think you need to put gel, Daddy. High five! Bye! Yan si Bunso. Yung kay Jaden, ayan yung kanyang pang Chinese New Year. Yan. Yan. Okay, go. So, ayan. Ito, hindi ko ito, hindi na ako napalit na to. So, last year din, yan na yan. Ano pa? Yan. So, naglagay din tayo dito ng, Tyson yan. Pampaswerte. May kami in cheese! This one? So, at least sa akin. Actually, ano to, dress ko noon, before ako magbuntis kay Meme. Meme, ano yung bago po there? Yan, so, ngayon ko lang ulit siya Machi-machi. Well, cheese! Meron din tayo ditong Buena Fortuna, yan. Dito sa ating sala. You want put some more? Ang cute. Alam niyo ba, na-imagine ko na kapag meron ka talagang baby girl, sabi ko, bibihisan ko siya ng mga magagandang dress. Ayan, inano niya to, hindi ko matanggal-tanggal. So, kailangan lagi tayong may sweet dyan sa lamesa. Pampaswerte and orange at saka pineapple. So, kailangan mag-ano tayo ng song for Chinese New Year.
Ja. 今天我们要去公布哎。
Pupunta tayo ngayon sa bahay na Tita ni Sunny, si Maybelline.
你刚到卢台币应该是下海 press play 在下广播啊。
Nandito na tayo ngayon sa bahay ng tita ni Dad. Guys, I'm Jen.
有啊。
You want touch? Daddy, she want touch.
你真正好人。
Pauwi na tayo. So, yung dalawang bata na iwan pa dun sa sa bahay ng tita ni Sunny. Then, yung mga binanan ko yung kasama nila. Hey, don't go outside. You can share with me? Okay.
So you want the wine stopper?
Oh, have.
No, here.
Moscato.
Where you put? You never ask the gas will be gone.
Sarap.
You know?
Ito yun.
You want the hot one with the...
Is it there? Hindi daddy makikita. Ay, nako. Tada! Ito wash. Then, don't bring this. This one we use, ha? I used this one time already. Sarap. So, wala pa yung mga kids. Mamaya pa siguro uwi yun. What do you think they come back? What time they come back? Yeah, tatapusin muna ng hintayin pa nila matapos si yaya nila ng Mahjong. Mas slowly drink eh. Kasi when you shot na like a soda. Sarap. Ready? Masarap siya. Addicted. No? So, ayan ayan guys, sa mga Chinese, nakikita niyo yung onion na yan. Ano yan, pampaswerte yan. Naglalagay kami niyan taon-taon sa likodan ng pintuan namin. Guys, so pampagising ko lang 10:30 na ng gabi. So, kakagising lang namin ni Maiden. And, ngayon pa lang ako magdi-dinner. Sila daddy nag-dinner na. Yung mga kids nandito na din. Si Maymay, ayaw pang tanggalin yung ano niya, damit niya. Nakabihis pa siya. Dahil yung shoes niya, pinasuot ulit niya sa akin. Hinjana! No, thank you. Kata Uncle will go home. Uncle Boy kata hindi go home.
For us.
Ano pa yun? So, ayun guys, by the way, tomorrow is second day of Chinese New Year and meron tayong mga bisitang darating na from Malaysia. So, katrabaho ni Daddy yon, pero naging para kaibigan ko na rin sila kasi nagpupunta na rin kami sa bahay nila. So, tomorrow dadalhin niya dito yung yung family niya. And first time nila dito sa Singapore ha, taga Malaysia lang sila. First time nila dito makakapunta. So, ayan, I was so happy, looking forward na makapunta din sila dito sa bahay. Ay! Ini! Aja! Then, pupunta din pala dito yung kaibigan ko. Katrabaho ko siya sa Syria. So, pupunta siya dito kasi nandito din yung mama niya. So, ayan, lilibot sila tomorrow dito sa bahay. So, busy-busyhan na naman tayo bukas. Say hi! Tuwa sila kay Chaba kanina. Maputi daw kasi siya. Very fair. Ay! Ew! 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 Oh, yes? You shishi. Confused pa siya sa Yes? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. Hug mama. Yan, kiss mama first. Say bye-bye first. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. So, siguro dito ko na rin i-end yung aking video for today kasi 12:10 na ng umaga. So, yan. Medyo kailangan na rin namin Yes? Kailangan na rin namin mag-rest. So, dito ko na siya i-end. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And see you soon. Bye!